In this video, we'll look at how to change the time zone on an Ubuntu system using the command line. First, open your terminal. You can do this by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus T on your keyboard. Before changing the time zone, it's a good idea to check what the current time zone is. Type this command and press Enter. Timedatectl. You'll see a line that says Time Zone. This shows the current time zone your system is using. Next, to see a list of all available time zones, run timedatectl list time zones. You'll see a long list of cities and regions. Use your arrow keys or scroll to find the one you want. For example, if you're in New York, look for America/new_York. If you're in London, look for Europe London. Once you've found your time zone, you can set it with this command. Sudo timedatectl set-timezone. Your time zone, replace your time zone with the correct value. For example, sudo timedatectl set-timezone, Europe London. You'll be asked to enter your password. Type it and press Enter. To make sure the time zone was changed, run this command again. Timedatectl check the time zone line again. It should now show the new time zone you set. That's it. You've updated your Ubuntu system's time zone from the command line. Thanks for watching.